Welcome to PhotoEvo, the evolution of digital printing. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over some of the aspects of the website and also the ordering software and how to do basic ordering. Let's start out with the website. This is the front page of PhotoEvo. As you see, there are products and services, specials, download the ordering software, and also a contact page. Let's start out by going to the products and services. Inside the products and services, you'll find prints, cards and stationaries, albums, photo books, finishing, mounting, image books, gallery wraps, photo gifts, skate decks, banners, metal prints, and pillow wraps. There's a ton of different products in here that you can click into and see the prices of these objects before you order them. Going into Luster Prints, which is our standard photographic print, you can see that there's multiple different sizes, anything from mini wallets and wallets all the way up to 30 by 40 prints. If you have any questions, there is also a frequently asked questions section that goes over how to use PhotoEvo, links to the tutorials, some basic questions, and also contact for customer service. Over here are some basic file types, types of files that can be used in the ordering system, and how to name your files. There's also a press print sizing guide as well, which has downloadable Photoshop templates for all of our different press printed products to get you started in the right size and the right cropping, the right aspects. Now let's go to our ordering software. Go to the ordering software page, simply click on the download ordering software, which will start the download and install the software on your system. You may also want to go up here and download the fonts, as our system has many fonts inside of it that are used for different templates. It's a very good idea to download the fonts, install them onto your system. There's both PC fonts and Mac fonts available on here. If you don't know if your Java has been updated or not, you may want to click here to update your Java to make sure you have the latest version on your system, as this software does run in Java. Once you click on the download ordering software, the download will happen and it will install an icon on your desktop, just like this one here. Double click that and the ordering software will come up. Here's the front page of PhotoEvo. Specials can be listed here, and notes about the ordering software, along with some basic product offerings. Each one of these products down here is a clickable product that will drive you through to that product in the ordering software. There's some basic instructions down here, and then also a link to these tutorials. Over here you have Start, Build Order, and also your shopping carts and uploads, so you can manage your uploads and check your prices along the way as you set up your order. You have Order Prints, Show Shopping Cart, Show Uploaded and Saved Orders, or Online Help. You also have some basic preferences over here that you can set up at any given time, so that when your ordering system starts up, you're set up the way you want. To start an order, we can either click on one of these products, or we can go into Build an Order. Once you're into the Build an Order area, there's a couple different areas to deal with. We have our product area over in here. We have our options for those products, and then we have our main viewing pane for the products, and then we also have our image pane area. Over here, to load up images, simply go down to the Add Images section down here, click, and it'll bring up a menu that'll bring you to anywhere you need to go. Click on a folder, click Open, and that folder will then load in with all the images. It may take a little while for these images to load up and develop previews depending on the speed of your computer. To change the size of these thumbnails, we can either scroll back and forth down here, it'll change size of the thumbnails up here, or we can go up to this arrow up here, click on it, and it'll drive out to a larger size file that we can then scroll through and look at. As you scroll through, the system will update and create high res. They start out blurry, but then they will change to a high res once you get down to them. Once we've gone through and looked at all of our images, we can then click on the arrow and they'll tuck back neatly off to the side, ready for us to use in our ordering system. In this tutorial, we're going to go over some basic ordering principles and some basic print sizes. Another area to be aware of is the product catalogs down here. In these product catalog sections are access to different products. In our primary catalog, we have a lot of the products that most people order. But we also have other areas such as photo books, cards and stationery, chrome prints, metallic prints, and assembled albums, also in different catalogs that you may need to click on. So if you wanted to change to a different catalog, like let's say photo books. You'd click on photo books. Now depending on the speed of your computer and the speed of your internet access, it may take a few minutes for this to download. What it's doing when it transfers over to this photo books catalog is downloading all the templates up here that can be used in the photo books. We'll go over ordering the photo books because it's a more complex system in future tutorials. Now we can go back to our primary catalog and we'll look at ordering some of our basic products. Let's start out by ordering just a standard 11 by 14 print. We scroll down to 11 by 14 and we click on it. That fills our image pane with 11 by 14. We can then scroll to whatever image we'd like and drag it over into there. Now notice that this horizontal image came into a vertical template horizontally. We can then rotate the template, or if we click on the image, we have the ability to rotate the image as well, and also zoom in and out. Once you zoom in and out, you also have the ability to move the image inside this frame. So you can zoom in and out, recrop as needed, and then you're all set. Once the print is where you like it, simply click Add to Order. You can also change the quantity. If you wanted 2 of these for a grandparent or for family, change that number to a 2 and then click Add to Cart. You'll see the little note pop up to say that it's been added. Then you can move on to any other products. Let's go up here and look at die cut wallets. There are 2 types of die cut wallets. Regular die cut wallets, and you also have personalized die cut wallets. They have the ability to put names down in the lower corner. For this tutorial, let's do a personalized die cut wallet. We pull up our die cut wallet template, we scroll down, or we can change to a different set of images. We'll pull an image in there, load it up, and now we can click to add our text here, or we can double click to zoom in and add our text. Once you get everything set, you can double click again and you'll zoom back out. Notice that with these fonts, if you come over here, you have a couple different options. You have font styles and font colors. For font styles, if you click on the arrow, you'll get a list of all the different fonts that are available. So I can change to a different font and it'll show up in here, and it'll also print that way as well. In addition to that, if we hide the font styles, we can go to the font color. And in here we have all kinds of colors that we can change our fonts to. Once we have all that done, keep an eye out for this die cut guide. This is where the die cutting is going to cut this wallet. So you want to be wary of that as you're centering your image or positioning your image to make sure that nothing important gets near that line. Once we're set and all done, simply click Add to Cart, and it's added and you're ready to move on to more stuff. Once you've added all your products that you want to order, you can see that we have 2 items up here totaling $14.49. We can then go to our shopping cart when we're ready to close out our order. We still have another chance here to change any quantities, look at pricing, go back and edit an item, or remove an item as well. This lets us know what font we chose and the color of the font that we chose for this product. If everything's okay there, we also have an area for promo codes and also special instructions. Once we put everything in here, we can come down here and click Checkout to check out and finalize our order. Here on the checkout page, we're going to want to fill out all the information we need. We need to fill out our name and account number. Your account number probably came up already if you're ordering through the PhotoEvo system. Your email, also your credit card information as well. This is a secure payment system, and your credit card will not be processed until after your order is done. As we go up in here, we want to make sure that we click a shipping process. So either ground shipping or pick up at the store. We have available 2-day next day air, and international shipping as well. We're going to pick up at the shop. We'll come down here, we'll put in a name, and we're also going to fill out our credit card information. When we come down here, we're going to fill out our billing address and also our shipping method address. If our shipping address is the same as our billing address, simply click here and it will fill in the same. Make sure when you're filling out your credit card information that you also fill out your expiration as well as the security code, and select the correct type, MasterCard or Visa. You can also come down here and click Save for Future Orders. If this is the current card and current information that we'll be using on all orders, we can click this to save for all future orders. And then we can continue on to place our order. Now notice that when we click Place Our Order, a red box showed up here stating that we had missed some information to put in. If that happens, simply look for the red box, or one of these items up here may be blinking to show you what you did not select correctly. Go back in, fill in the correct information, and try it again. What's happened now is the system has then gathered up all your images and sent it across our transfer system to our uploads area and started the upload. We can then go to the uploads area and look at the progress of that upload. So we can see that this order right now is about a quarter of the way through. We can go on and continue and put more orders in, or we can simply sit here and wait for this one to transfer. You have to make sure that your ordering system stays open during this transfer. You can hide it or put it down in your lower bars, but it needs to stay open to keep this transfer going. If you shut down the system before the transfer is complete, it'll be stored here waiting to transfer, and will start the transfer the next time you open up your system. You can also click and have a printer-friendly version to print out on your local printer. You can also cancel, and as previous orders up here, you can remove them or you can reopen them as a new order. So any order that you put through, you can reorder it and reopen it up as a new order. Once it's done, it'll say sent and thank you, letting you know that it's been transferred. You will also receive an email what you put in the checkout area. So check your email for your order confirmation. That will have all your information and let you know that the order is successfully transferred to our location. That concludes this tutorial on our basic ordering process. Thank you for using Photo Evo, the evolution of digital printing, and have a great day.